Buenas, buenas, welcome to Three Brothers a Roofing Company, the solution for any commercial flat roof repair, replacement, or installation. So, Three Brothers a Roofing provides solution. So, here we're going with our project. The project will beginning by removing existing old rubber from the roof. Okay, so usual we have to replace any existing bad plywood, and if it's metal, so we have to replace the metal decking. So not a problem. Three Brothers Roofing has the experience to provide any roofing solution. So as we can see on this specific project, we have really bad metal decking, not a problem. So we have the experience, and even we have AC. We have to install rubber. Okay, but before the installation, we have to replace all the existing bad metal decking. Here we going with our project with more than 25 years of experience on the industry of commercial roofing. We can handle any roofing project. We do work with EPDM, or we working with asphalt rubber, either torch down or map down. Okay, and when it's come to flat roofing, we will provide a solution for like new drain, lowering existing drain, or scupper. So yeah, and as usual, we provide 12 to 15 years labor guarantee on every new roof installation or replacement. So the experience will make the difference when it's come to commercial roofing project. So here we going with our project. Step by step, we are ongoing. So after we remove the existing bad metal decking, we are on replacing with a new metal decking. So here we going step by step, as we can see on the video. And one of the best solution with the EPDM is coming in 100 feet by 10 feet wide. Okay, so and as we can see on this one, because we provide solution for commercial roofing and residential roofing, so this one is as we can see, it has some really bad rafters. It's all like a split due to the wage, because what happened on this specific project, so the flat roof is wasn't pitched right, and that's why the wall was staying right on the middle, and that's why the rafter was damaged, and not a problem. So as we can see right here, we are replacing with a new rafters. Okay, so we provide a solution when it's come to a flat roof project. So either commercial or residential, our experience we can handle. So here we go with this project. After we replace those rafter, next step we have to install new plywood. Okay, so subscribe to our channel, give us a comment. Okay, so here we going with our flat roofing project. Okay, so as we can see right here, we're replacing the existing bad wood with new wood. And in the meantime, this specific roofing, it has like the channel on the middle. And on this one, as we can see, it's a EPDM project, so we are installing the new insulation. Okay, this one is isol insulation. Okay, so here we going step by step. We are ongoing with those projects, and as I mentioned, this video has a lot of information when it's come to a flat roofing. We have drain, lowering existing drain. So right here we are lowering this one, and this one is for a residential flat roofing. Okay, and the technique is will be similar when it comes to draining. And right here we are on brand new construction drain. That means it has no draining, so we are installing new scupper draining. Okay, and right here we are using the custom made scupper, and we are using copper, and it will stick all the way through the outside wall. So as we see, sticking out through the wall. And on this one, if we see, it's a different drain. Okay, so it's draining. It go through the wood decking. Okay, so and it will be EPDM. And as usual on those drains, we install, or we highly recommend to install like 2 layers. So we install first, we install one, I would say 4x4. It will be like the first layer, and on top of that one, we will install like the main one. It will go alone. Okay, so and this drain, it will be like different one. Is a torch down. Same thing, we install first layer, and then we'll install the second one on the top. Okay, and when it's come to map down, so it's different technique. Okay, so here we go with our project, and we are back on the EPDM. So after we make all the repairs on those main drains, now we are ready for installing our rubber. Okay, and before we install the rubber, we will apply our adhesive. Okay, our glue. Okay, and this is the step by step we're going with our project. And right here we are applying our glue. First, we will apply the glue on the deck wood, and then we'll apply the glue on the EPDM rubber. Okay, and this will be like the final one with a really good slope and the drain on the center, and we have to do all the details. Okay, and as I mentioned, this one is EPDM. Okay, so yeah, and so right here we are ongoing with those detail. Okay, and this one it will be the SBS rubber. Okay, and we are using different technique. This one is will be applied with asphalt glue. Okay, so yeah, it's different technique, and that's why, as I mentioned, we do work with EPDM, and we work with asphalt rubber, glue down, or torch down. Our experience, it's for those two types of rubber: asphalt and EPDM. Okay, and usual our rubber, we will extend all the way up to the parapet wall, and the reason will be to prevent any roof leaking, because with the new roof we will provide 15 to 12 years labor guarantee. Labor, that means if anything happen, if our roof will leak, not a problem, we are responsible 100%, no question. Okay, and that's why we will provide long guarantee. And with our material, we use GAF or Firestone material. Okay, when it comes to a commercial, Firestone or GAF. Or residential flat roofing, same thing. GIF or Firestone. Okay, that's the material we recommend for homeowners or business owner. Okay, so yeah, we are ongoing with those projects. So as I mentioned, if you like those kind of videos, subscribe to our channel, give us a comment. Yeah, and we are ongoing with our project. So with our experience, more than 25 years of experience, we will provide a solution with no question. Okay, so if you are watching this video, that means you are in need of flat roof solution. Okay, so give us a call and we will give you estimation either for repair or replacement. Okay, as we can see, this one is asphalt. Okay, and this one is EPDM. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, the EPDM is long single piece. It's 100 feet by 10, and the asphalt it's come to is a short one. Okay, and but with experience, it's really doesn't matter. We can handle. Okay, so here we going with our project, and so when it's come to a parapet wall. Okay, so on this one specific project we are using custom coupling. Okay, so we install the coupling. Okay, and we apply some caulking on the joints to guarantee, okay, make sure the coupling will stay and will not fly away with the heavy wind. Okay, so that is the best solution when it's come to a commercial flat roof replacement. And yeah, so as I mentioned, we do work in Bergen County, Hudson County, Passaic County, some section of Morris County, and Essex County. Okay, that's where Three Brothers Roofing provides solution for New Jersey business owners and homeowners when it comes to a flat roof. Okay, so here we going with those project. Okay, so and now we seeing the asphalt rubber. Okay, and so this one we extended all the way up as we did with the EPDM. Okay, so that would be one of the best solution. Okay, so on this one we didn't use coupling, aluminum coupling. So this one we use a termination bar with flashing cement and fiberglass membrane to reseal. Okay, so because each project is would require different techniques. Three Brothers Roofing has the experience to provide a solution with a guarantee. Okay, and when it's come to a skylight, so we provide a solution. If the business owner or homeowner they not ready to replace their skylight, no problem. We will give a solution. So we will reuse the existing skylight, and but what happen is maybe after 10 years or whatever sometimes it's leak. So if it will leak, so basically it will be around the skylight. So that's why we highly recommend, but sometimes they not ready, so not a problem. So our experience will handle with no question. Okay, so if you watching this video, is that means you are shopping for new flat roof replacement or installation or leak repair. So as we saw on this video, we make let's say brand new drain installation. Let's say if you in need of additional drain, not a problem. We will make a new drain. We do a scupper. Let's say if it has to go through the wall, not a problem. We will handle. Okay, if the drain will go like through the decking, not a problem. We have the experience with more than 25 years on the industry. We will provide a solution when it's come to a flat roof. So as we can see on this one, we made a new slope, so it's pointing right to those drain. We did all the modification. So our experience is go with residential or commercial flat roofing. Okay, so as we see right here, it's done on EPDM. And right here it's asphalt rubber. um, as we saw on those video, we replace metal decking, we replace rafter, we replace bad wood, and we install base sheet, and of course new rubber, EPDM, asphalt. Okay, so and of course every project is come with a 12 or 15 years labor guarantee. Okay, so that's it for today. See you guys next time. Chop chop.